Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here, and I welcome you to a wonderful video of mine. Well guys, 3 times a year they add new speaking cue cards, new speaking topics, and those times are January and then May and then September. Okay, January, May and September, these are 3 months when the new cue cards are added. Now, new cue cards are added, that doesn't mean the old ones are out, they are eliminated. No, they add some new cue cards and all that. So, that is why whenever you want to appear in IELTS test in the month of January, May and September, you've got to wait for the first 10 days. And then after that, you can appear in the exam. Now, listen, if your speaking is all right, if your spoken English is good, you can deal with any cue card, any speaking topic, then there is no problem. But if you rely upon that book of cue cards, which is published after 4 months, you rely on that book. So in that case, you have to wait. What happens when they start conducting IELTS speaking tests from 1st to 10th? All the students who appear in IELTS exam speaking test, when they come out, they are asked what happened in speaking part 1, part 2, part 3, and then these questions are matched with the questions that they already have. The cue cards are matched, and then the new cue cards are added in that book, and by 15th, you get the new version of the book. So if your speaking is all right, no problem at all. And I tell you, they don't change all the cue cards. 10 to 15 new cue cards are added, right? So if you are comfortable, and those cue cards are not going to be from Mars or Jupiter, they are going to be from planet Earth, and the similar type of topics are going to be there. So if your speaking is okay, then you can appear in IELTS test anytime. But if you've got issues with speaking and you want to get some idea beforehand, then I think you should wait until 10th of January, 10th of May, 10th of September, and then after that you can appear in IELTS test. Now it's not that the test is going to be easy or difficult, only that you will get some cue cards and you can be familiar with the test pattern, what happens part 1, part 2 and all that stuff, right? So this is just a little video about that, and if your speaking is okay, there is no problem. Well guys, I teach IELTS online all over the world, and I also am going to teach IELTS in Dubai. Right, I'm going to be there on 16th of December till 13th of January 2023. So if you wish to join my live classes in Dubai, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.